Adjusted funds from operations, also called AFFO, is a financial measure used to evaluate the performance of real estate investment trusts, known as REITs. In simple words, AFFO shows how much real cash income a real estate company generates after adjusting for regular expenses and property maintenance costs. AFFO is considered a more accurate measure of a REIT's cash flow than traditional net income. Real estate companies often have large depreciation expenses, which reduce accounting profits but do not represent actual cash losses. Because of this, investors use funds from operations, or FFO, instead of net income. AFFO goes one step further by adjusting FFO to reflect real ongoing costs. To calculate AFFO, companies start with funds from operations. Then they subtract recurring capital expenditures such as property maintenance, repairs, and leasing costs. They may also adjust for rent smoothing and other non-cash accounting items. The result is a clearer picture of cash available to pay dividends to investors. AFFO is important because REITs are required to distribute most of their income as dividends. Investors use AFFO to judge whether dividend payments are sustainable. A higher AFFO generally indicates stronger cash-generating ability. Analysts often compare AFFO per share with share price to evaluate investment value. Although AFFO is widely used, it is not officially defined under accounting standards, so calculation methods may vary slightly between companies. In simple terms, AFFO measures the real cash earnings of a real estate investment after necessary property expenses. Easy way to remember. AFFO means real cash profit available from real estate operations.